Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you easy coconut butter mochi. Place the melted butter, granulated sugar, eggs, and vanilla in a large bowl and mix well until combined. Fold in the mochiko and baking powder with a spatula. Once incorporated, add in the evaporated milk and coconut milk using a wire whisk. Pour into a buttered or oiled half hotel pan or a 9-inch by 13-inch baking pan and bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the mochi to cool to room temperature and then cut into desired size pieces and enjoy. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.